Hello, welcome. This is Kate from katewinch.com, and I am delighted to be here. Obviously, given what's going on in the world, I felt compelled to make a video. It's been a while since I've made one, and this video is on clearing fear and worry about the coronavirus. So, if you're new to tapping, go to my How to Tap video first, which also includes releasing anxiety, and tap along to that so you know the tapping points. If you're a regular tapper, give it a number 0 to 10, this fear and worry. 10 is I'm really terrified, I'm anxious. 0 is it's not an issue for me. And then notice where you feel that fear and worry in your body. Often it's a tightness in the throat or the chest or in our shoulders. But I'd like you can even write down the number and notice where you feel it in your body and tap along. We always start with the part of us that doesn't want to change. And part of us is like, of course I want to let this fear and worry go. And another part saying, no way, we've got to hold on to it. So change the words anytime. If I say anything that doesn't resonate, use your own words. The more you use your own words, the better, but you may find what I say resonates. Okay, deep breath. Repeat after me. Tapping on the karate chop point, either hand is perfect. Even though I have all this fear and worry about the coronavirus, and I don't know how I can let it go. Maybe it doesn't seem possible. I wonder who I'd be without this fear. And I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself anyway. Close your eyes, deep breath. Keep tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I'm so anxious and worried about the coronavirus, I'm worried about my own health, my family, my loved ones. And I don't know how I can let it go. Maybe it doesn't feel safe. I can't relax about this. I have to be on guard. I have to protect myself. But I accept who I am. And I appreciate my feelings. Close your eyes, deep breath. Even though I have all this fear and worry about the coronavirus and what's unfolding, there's so many unknowns. I love and accept myself anyway. Deep breath. And then we're going to the eyebrows. So you're going to tap where the brow ends near the nose. All this fear and worry about the coronavirus. Side of the eyes, I'm so anxious about it. Underneath the eyes, I'm worried about my own health. Nose, all this fear of catching it. Chin, I'm worried I might give it to somebody else. Collarbone, I'm worried for my loved ones. Underneath the arms, worried I'm going to give it to my loved ones. Rib cage, what if I have it and I don't know it? Two wrists together, worried about work and money. Top of the head, all this anxiety about the future. Eyebrows, I'm so worried about so many things. Side of the eyes, it's overwhelming. Underneath the eyes, this fear and worry about the virus. Nose, all this fear and worry about the future. Chin, I'm so anxious. Collarbone, all this anxiety and worry. Underneath the arms, it's so exhausting. Rib cage, and I have suffered so much about this. Two wrists together. I would really like to let it go. Top of the head. What if I could Let it go now. Eyebrows. It's exhausting. Side of the eyes. And I'm so tired of suffering about this. Underneath the eyes. All this fear and worry. Nose. I'm letting it go. Chin, letting it go. Collarbone, letting it go. Underneath the arms, I'm letting it go. Rib cage, letting it all go. Two wrists together, all this fear of getting sick. All this fear of losing my loved ones. Eyebrows, all this being quarantined. Side of the eyes, all this feeling trapped. Underneath the eyes, I'm so worried about it. Nose, all this fear and anxiety. Chin, all this anger and frustration about the situation. Collarbone, letting go of all this future tripping. Underneath the arms, letting go of this fear and worry. Rib cage, I'm letting it go. All this loss of power. Top of the head, letting it go. I'm okay. It's safe to let it go. I let go of being general manager of the universe. And I give this to the universe to handle. I don't need to do it all by myself. It's safe to relax about this. It's safe to trust. Good lies before me. Good comes out of this situation. I trust in the divine order of my life. I call my power back from all dimensions of time and space. Safe to relax. I listen to my inner wisdom. I know what to do. I choose to feel surprisingly calm and peaceful. Underneath the arms, I love feeling calm and confident. Rib cage. I choose to know that I am safe and protected at all times. Two wrists together. Wherever I go, whatever I do, I am safe. The universe has my back. Good lies before me, and good comes out of this situation. I choose to feel calm and peaceful. Collarbone. I love feeling calm and peaceful. Everything is unfolding in divine order. Rib cage, I am safe. Two wrists together, all is well. Top of the head, life loves me. And then you're going to close your eyes, left hand on your heart or both hands, 3 deep breaths. And then tune in 0 to 10 and think of your number, noticing what number are you at now. Hopefully you've come down. If you've gone up, there's more tapping to do. And notice any guidance that comes through. Sometimes when we're freaking out, it's hard to listen to our own inner wisdom. And that's why tapping is really helpful, to help us calm down and notice, like, what do I need today to feel safe and loved and supported on this journey? And really practice giving yourself what you need, or are there any actions I need to take as I move forward around this? So thank you for watching. You might want to tap along to it again. You might be feeling great now. Keep moving forward. I have a teleclass that I do twice a month, and I have online workshops now with Abundance Tapping and Koya Dance. So feel free to go to my website below, katewinch.com. Thank you so much for watching. Sending you all much love.